Hey y'all, it's your girl, Iconic V. So today we're gonna be spending a chill Sunday. So if you're new into this channel, go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment, and hit the notification bell. Yes. So guys, come spend a chill Sunday with me. And I'm gonna go do my hair, which is I'm gonna go relax my hair today. So yeah, just got out of the shower. Well, showering now. So let's go ahead and like put lotion on my body. Wait, I'm gonna go fetch it to show you guys the lotion. I know guys, I'm dry, don't judge, because I just got out of the shower. So guys, here's the products to moisturize my body because it's dry. So I got petroleum body soap, petroleum. Okay guys, I got it. Petroleum jelly fragrance. That's halfway finished. Then I got some new everyday care woman moisturizing body lotion cocoa butter. Yeah, let's go ahead and go get into moisturizing. By the way, guys, I mixed them too. I mixed them on here, but kind of. Here's a lot of the petroleum jelly, so I just now. I actually take some of the petroleum jelly, just tasty. I take it, I put it here on the lid. Sorry guys, don't mind, that was my nanny. Which is like almost like my maid. Like when my mom is not here, she comes to like something like babysit and stuff because my mom is overprotective of me. So yeah, okay, guys, this is what is happening. Then we're gonna add the rain, guys. We're gonna add the renew lotion to the base thingy. I don't use a lot of Vaseline, guys. You must note that I don't use a lot of Vaseline. Oh, that was lots. Look at that. That's fine. Then we're gonna mix it like here. I know it doesn't look good, but just wait and see. Okay guys, this is the finished touch. Okay, first I'm gonna put some, just a little on my face, cause I normally use like plain Vaseline, but I'm just gonna put a little bit of cream on my face. Guys, don't mind that. It is my father. My father was watching football, so he's very excited because he's watching his favorite team. So yeah, come back. Okay, does my face still look dry? Okay, just a little bit dry. Now we're gonna put some on your on the neck of it. Okay, okay. that almost kind of chilled Sunday, guys. And I need to go wash my hair, but I mustn't be late and maybe on the way on coming, I'm gonna ask my friend to go with me. Guys, I wait to go somewhere quickly. So yeah. Now I'm gonna just ooh, that felt nice, guys. Actually feels nice. Okay, come back when I'm done. Because I'm gonna actually wash put on lotion on my whole upper body. So, yeah. Okay guys, I'm done moisturizing my upper body. Let's moisturize my lower body.